Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by OMGqueen. So I'm gonna go ahead and read you the specs on this wig. This is a heavy density curly human hair bob. It says it is a no work needed kind of wig. So we will see together, because you know, a lot of companies claim that, but recently with the wigs that have been saying that they are glueless or, you know, minimal effort, those wigs have been like that, and I've been pretty impressed. So I hope this is another one that's like that. Plucked, it has a pre-plucked hairline, has natural baby hair, bleach knots, and it has a removable elastic adjustable band, and I just put that back in here. And check the description box if you are interested in purchasing anything from their website. I do have a coupon code, and double check to see if they have any Black Friday deals or anything going on, just like a lot of the companies I'm going to be working with this week. It has a natural color. It's virgin Brazilian hair. It has a deep parting. It's 16 inches. It looks shorter than 16 inches, but I'm cool with that. It's 180% density. I have the Cap Construction Cap D, which is a glueless lace front wig. I have an average cap. Are bleached. Hairline is pre-plucked, like I told you guys, and it has the elastic adjustable band. This is what she looks like just fresh out the pack. The curls feel super soft, so hopefully I don't have to do too much to the curls. So with no work needed, throw in and go human hair wigs, the first thing I'm looking for is an adjustable elastic band, because that's going to make it a lot easier to apply without, you know, glue or anything. But if I have to use it, I'm going to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to try this on and see how it feels. I don't have the elastic band, the adjustable straps in the back adjusted. I might need to do that. It already feels like this lace is pretty flat. All right, y'all, so this is what she's looking like fresh out the pack. Now, it looks asymmetrical, so I'm gonna shift it a little bit more to the left so it's a bit more even. And more of a deep part. But already this is very pretty. Already. Yeah, but this is very like asymmetrical. I know it's probably supposed to be like that. I'm gonna look at the stock picture and see if it's asymmetrical on the website. Yeah, on the website it's asymmetrical too, so that's how it's supposed to look. All right. I know, should I even it up though? I kind of want to even it up, but I already like this a lot. I love curly bobs, especially if they're like at least shoulder length and not too short. I like curly bobs a lot. So let's pin this back. That is laying pretty flat. But we'll see like around the ear, because I mean, if it's gonna be a side part, we'll see. guys, so as far as it being glueless, when you're wearing a wig as a side part and you're gonna have some lace lift over here, you can't really see it right here, but like when you get by the ear, you're gonna see that. I'm not too concerned about this side because the bang is falling on this side, so I'm just really gonna be, you know, using my Got to Be Glued on this side of the wig. Now, if you wanted to wear, you know, glueless, how it says it is, just wear it as a middle part because you only have to focus on just this area here. So when companies say that they're glueless, I tend to do middle parts, but I'm gonna be doing it. It came as a side part, so I really like how that looks. So I'm just gonna use my freeze spray and spray this down. This is really, really pretty. Applied this wig. So as far as it being like glueless as a side part, I feel like with wigs in general, lace front wigs, frontals, if you're wearing it as a side part, the lace is gonna be curling up regardless. So I feel like I had to put some Got to Be Glued on there because otherwise my lace was gonna curl, and especially if I'm gonna be wearing it, you know, behind my ear a little bit, I had to put a little bit of Got to Be Glued, but that still wasn't a lot of work. Again, this side is not applied down. This side is not adhered down because of course the bang is going to be covering that. With application, I just used that Got to Be Glued freeze spray. I did not tweeze the hairline. I did do a little bit of baby hair action on the side, not too much, but I feel like baby hairs do look good with curly wigs, but you know, in moderation, of course. The line up here is not adhered down. The area where I have Got to Be Glued on it looks more melted. The front of the hairline doesn't look bad, but I feel like if I was gonna wear this out, I would definitely go ahead and put some freeze spray along the hairline as well. I put some powder in the part. I don't have any powder that is a little bit lighter than my complexion. anymore. The one I was using was the Black Radiance Soft Focus in Golden Almond Finish, and it's completely gone now. So I've been using, for the last like 2 days, I've been using the Jaclyn Hill palette. She does have some tan shades at the top that work pretty well with helping me blend in my lace. That was the only thing I had to do, was just spray that got to be glue on the lace, but everything else was done for me. Pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline, which I appreciate. As far as this style goes, I think it is so gorgeous. This curl pattern right out the box is gorgeous. With that asymmetrical look that it had going on initially, it was 16 inches on the longer side, and up here it looks like it's maybe 10 inches. That was just too much of a drastic difference, so I evened it up to maybe like, it's more like 12 and 10, something like that. But this is gorgeous. Even if it was all this longer length, I would still like it, but this is a nice like everyday kind of wig. These curls are gorgeous. I really, really, really do like this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much it is. OMGqueen is pretty affordable if you're looking for human hair websites that have affordable prices. This is one of them. The specs that I have, this wig is $152. That is really, really, really good. And we are having a Black Friday sale, so it's gonna be even cheaper than that. So, you know, if you're feeling this wig, use the discount codes, take advantage of, you know, the Black Friday sales and everything. This one is one I feel like I would wear a lot because it's short, it's a natural black color, the lace blends in really well. I think this is gorgeous. It's not too short, because if it was all this length, I don't think I would like be as crazy about it. I do like that it has a little bit of a longer length in it, even if it's not like all around. I still think it's beautiful. As far as the product that I used the Cantu Comeback Curl, which is the Next Day Curl Revitalizer. I picked this up at Dollar General, and it's supposed to refresh your curls and reduce frizz and add shine to your curls. And I just wanted to just add a little bit of that to this hair. It smells really good. The curls were already like not frizzy and stuff though, and I didn't want to wet it too much, because right out the pack it had the right look that I was going for, or the look I was going for, which was not really that wet look, but more fluffy and lived in. You know, I just think this is just gorgeous. If you're interested in this wig, you can head over to OMGqueen and pick it up there. And shout out to you guys for watching another video. I know I have a ton of them coming out this week, but I appreciate you guys watching and tuning in and interacting with me. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.